massive rally was seen across indices, specifically NASDAQ100 and Dow Jones have rallied strongly, and Germany 42 has accompanied with the CPI inflation data getting softened here. Now today we have an important day. Again, we have the retail sales data coming in from US and the PPI data coming in. These two definitely will have an impact. And yeah, for UK 100 and FTSE 100, we have also a data coming in from UK, which is for the CPI and PPI for the month. Yes, this is the only index which we have seen trading with a modest bias yesterday. It has still traded very much in the range, failing to break bullish and failing to break on the down as well. Thus, which position you should take trading DAX, FTSE 100 or UK 100, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? We are going to see in the same sequence with the help of charts and indicators. If you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the live notification. The second update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Before the PPI data, it is important. Thus, do not miss that update. Let's look at DAX. DAX taking the support from the 20-50 period moving average on the hourly charts have seen a greater rise. The moving averages have started to look upwards. This is a bullish sign here. And if you look at on the upside, there is a slight resistance which is seen at 15,650 and the support is seen at 15,600 levels. Only selling entry below 15,600, where you can look forward to 560, 550 levels as the first target and 15,500 as the next support level here. If you look at the stochastic, this is drop trying to rise. The MACD, which has seen an extremely elevated levels, is now trying to cross over and trade with a bearish bias. This was the last crossover. It has seen the bearish momentum here, and this is again a crossover which can bring little bearish momentum. Let's watch out. RSI is extremely overbought. It requires a little drop. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation on the 2 hour chart. There is a reversal sign, but there is a support as well. Thus wait for it to break below the support levels for further bearish momentum towards 15,550, 15,500 levels. And if you look at moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish here. Stochastic has dropped vertically. The MACD is still trading bullish. It has converged but not yet crossed over. RSI overbought. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, it is showing the second candle has just started. It can bring the prices little down, but it is still not showing the bullish bearish momentum. Yes, if you see the price is staying beyond 15,650, there is no other option but to buy there and expect 15,700, 750 levels as well. On the downside, 15,550 is a greater support. Remember, there is too much of divergence with the moving average. What it will try to do, it will try to wait for the moving average to climb and then move towards the moving averages. If you look at the stochastic, this is extremely overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is extremely overbought as well. Coming to 4, similar observation, nothing different. See what has happened here. It is retraced here towards the moving average. What can happen here? It can retrace towards the moving average and making the moving average to a slightly higher level, 15,500. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought as well. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, see DAX was trading in this bearish channel and it has given a breakout. Also, the moving averages have started to converge, crossover for a buy. Now, most important part for DAX is, see, this is the zone where DAX has stayed for long and it is falling back within the zone here. Now, this is important. It appears that the peak for this is at 16,000 levels. Hence, once you see prices staying above 15,650 and 15,700 levels, stay long, and this could be a positional trade where one can look forward to 16,000 levels in the near future. Also, for the day, yes, 15,650 you can buy and you can sell at 15,600. Below 600, still 15,550 first target, 15,500 the next target. Two support levels exist and very strong support levels exist at around these levels. Thus, we need to be watchful here. Yes, it is slightly overbought as well. Hence, it needs a little cooling. Let's see if it does show the drop today. MACD is bullish, RSI is bullish, stochastic is overbought. So, sell at 600, buy at 650. Do not think it off as bearish as long as 15,500 is respected. Below 15,500 is where slight bearishness. Also, if you look at, see, one must note higher highs, higher lows here. So, the lows for the day are little far below at 15,300. If it reverses completely, if it erases all the gains, if the data is not favorable coming in from US, it can possibly erase all the gains. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Sell at 15,600, buy at 15,650. Now let's have a look at UK 100. Now see, FTSE 100 on the hourly charts is giving still higher highs, higher lows, trying to trade in this channel. The top of this channel is somewhere here at 7460, 7480 levels, and the bottom here at 7400. Now as long as 7, we are not going to treat UK 100 as bearish. Now also, if you note after this rise, it is retraced, now taking the support from the 20 period moving average. Thus 7420 is the first milestone it needs to break past by in order to confirm further bearishness. Below 7420, you can sell and expect 7400 as the first milestone. If you look at the stochastic, this is near to overbought levels. MACD almost staying flat. RSI is flat as well. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at 2-hour charts, see this double top, higher highs, lower lows, 7400, very good support exists there. And on the upside, once it stays beyond 7450 levels, I will recommend you to buy here at 7450, 7460 zone. Beyond this, we are looking forward to 7500 levels today. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is still bullish. It is divergent. It is looking upwards. RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3-hour charts, most important part is the crossover between the moving average. This is a good bullish sign. It is looking upwards. The top here at 7470 levels, 7480 levels. Beyond this 7500, the first target, and beyond 7500, we are looking forward to a massive rise towards 7550. So yes, we can stay long if you see the price is staying above 7450 levels. The stochastic rising, MACD is still bullish. It is divergent. It has seen a good retracement. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 4. Now, if you look at 4-hour chart, see, first of all, it was trading in this bearish channel earlier. It has given a breakout. That is the most important observation. Second, largely it is staying in the box. If it comes out of the box, we can look forward to at least 7480, 7500 levels. Also, if you look at the 4-hour charts, see, higher lows are seen, the lower highs. This candle trying to break out. This may try to pull the prices little up. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, and it does not mean it cannot diverge more. It can continue on the upside. RSI flat. Coming to the now, see, on the daily charts, it appears we are going to look forward to bullishness. 7420, as long as 7420 and 7400 is respected today, we can expect a massive rise. Specifically, once the prices stays above 7450, 7460 zone, stay long, we are looking forward to 7500 levels today itself. Yes, it can break out after the rise. It is consolidated enough. If it gives a breakout, it is going to be a stochastic rising, MACD bullish, RSI rising as well. Thus, buy at 7450, sell at 7420. If you're selling at 7420, be careful for 7400, and below 7400 is where the bears will take over. On the upside, buy at 7450, and this time we are going to look forward to a massive rise towards 7480, 500 and 550. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at NASDAQ. And before we move to Tech 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 27th batch starts on coming Monday. This is an interesting session where we are going to teach, where we are going to equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategy which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Remember, investment in learning is the only investment which can reap the profits to you throughout your life. Thus, join the mentorship. Register yourself now itself. Only few seats are left. You can book by visiting the place forexfunder.com, www.forexfunder.com. This is a platform where we have multiple offerings for you and multiple information is available. You can see this is the first page where you get the details related to the mentorship, the timeline, the curriculum, and the payments tab is available here. You can pay and book seats here itself. Then you have the webinar series, and more importantly, you have the breaking news from across the globe available here. You also have the economic calendar from across the globe available here. You can also search for any data which is traded, any instrument which is traded across globally. You can find your favorite instrument and do the charting, do your analysis. You can also schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance, and the discussions forum is also available. Thus, visit the platform www.forexfunder.com, book your seat for the mentorship batch and the webinar series, and yes, do initiate a discussion with the like-minded traders. Also, you can join my Signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for more details. Now, look at the hourly charts. See, on the hourly charts, US 100 is still staying bullish. and in this narrowly bullish channel. Now see the bullishness getting diminished, only selling entry below 15,840 levels, or then 15,800 and 780 is the major support zone. If you see it is staying below 780, we can again expect a further drop towards 740 750 zone, and below that a major drop. Now what has happened here? See the rise, it has retraced a little, it has just waited for the moving average to climb up. Then the rise, it can only retrace or wait for the moving average to climb up towards 15,800. Stochastic is highly overbought. MACD is also at the extremes here. It can retrace a little, but remember that is still not a reversal. RSI extremely overbought. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation on the 2-hour chart. See moving averages climbing up, looking upwards, staying bullish. If you look at the 2-hour charts here, yes, higher lows, higher highs. You have to wait for it to break below 15,840, 820 levels, below which you can say that the bears will take over for 15,800, 780. Now, as long as 15,780 is there, you should just put a 20 points trailing stop loss, as it can bounce back any point of time. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is extremely bullish and divergent. It may try to cross over. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to 3 hour. Now look at 3-hour charts, swings here, and then this rise. Once you see Tech 100 staying above 15,880 levels, that is the time where you can buy for 15,950 and 16,000 levels. Yes, these levels are achievable if it stays above 15,880 levels. Remember, many times I've told you 15,880, 920, 15,950 and 16,000. These are greater resistance zones. Now, if you look at prices are too much divergent from the moving average, it can slowly move and then the moving average to climb up, then it will try to retrace. So that is what or how it is going to behave. Stochastic is extremely overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is extremely overbought. Coming to 4-hour charts, similar observation here, and it will wait for the moving average to climb up. We can possibly at best see it moving towards 15,780, 740 or 700 levels at first. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. Coming to now, look at the daily charts. Moving average is crossing over here, starting to diverge. Bullish sign here for Tech 100. And see, first, this is an expanding triangle. You can see the base here. The bottom here is far below now at 15,400 levels, which is a distant dream, it appears. Also, if you look at, see, first bullish candle, compare a couple of retracement candles, then next bullish candle, and it is resuming the upward move. So once you see it moving a little far beyond 15,880, you can buy for 950, 920, 960 and 16,000 levels as well. 16,000, yes, is a greater milestone. It needs to, or it is willing to break past by. Now look at the previous highs here, 15,800 and 15,900. This is the double top levels, and breaking beyond which you can say prices are turning bullish. Another point, see, I have mentioned in my weekly series as well. See, rise retracement, it was trading in this bullish flag formation. It has given a breakout. Thus, this breakout may continue for a while. The stochastic overbought, MACD extremely divergent, extremely bullish. RSI looking upwards as well. Thus, buy at 15,880 and sell at 15,840 levels. But then 15,820, 800, 780. Be careful. As long as 15,760. See, 20 points trailing stop loss you should put. That's it. On the downside, 740, 750, 760 zone is the first support zone, and then 700 the next one. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 taking the support from 20 period have seen a massive rise. Moving averages starting to diverge. Right now it is still giving you higher lows, lower highs. Thus we have to wait for it to break below 34. See, 34,830 you can sell, but then 34,770, 780 is what it should break. Below this, you can say it will definitely try to land towards 34,700. The stochastic overbought, MACD is crossing over at the top, trying to trade with divergence and bearishness. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to 2-hour charts, similar observation, moving averages looking upwards, staying bullish. A possibility of a conversion towards 34,700 exists, but if you look at the 2-hour charts here, is still giving higher lows, lower highs. I'll recommend if you see it staying below 34,835, you can sell here at for 34,800, 770, 750 levels, and then in fact 700 as well. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green. RSI is extremely overbought. Likewise, on the 3-hour chart, see what has happened here. It has always converged towards the moving average, and here also it can converge towards the moving average. The stochastic overbought, MACD bullish. See, everything is overbought. I'm just shying from taking a position here. But see, markets are still bullish and it can take it to the extreme highs. Remember, today the retail sales data and the PPI data will definitely have an impact on the US30 prices. Look at 4-hour charts. Yes, it is willing to give a breakout. Let's see which direction it does. Here also it is overbought. I need not repeat. Everything is overbought here. Coming to the daily chart. Now look on the daily charts. Rise, consolidation. First breakout, it can give you second breakout candle. It can move towards 35,000 levels. Now 35,000 levels, one must note why it is a critical resistance. These were the double top levels here. Thus 35,000, 35,100 is the level you should watch out for, because beyond 35,000, 35,100, my next target is going to be directly 35,500 and 400 levels here. So beyond 35,000, 35,100, just stay long. We are going to look forward to a massive rise. Also, if you look at the daily chart, see it was trading in this bearish flag formation. It is given a. Also, if you note, see it was trading in this consolidation. One breakout, the second candle can appear here, which can take it further highs towards 34,100, 34,200, 350, 500 levels. The stochastic is over. See, everything is overbought here, but see, still it is not showing any signs of a reversal as of now. Thus, you can buy here at 34,900. 20 levels and expect 34,950, 34,000 or 35,000 and 35,100 levels. Yes, beyond 34,000 is where complete bullishness will be seen, and it is going to fly high towards 34,100, 200, 350 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Yes, a selling entry at 34,835 as we mentioned. Be careful as long as 34,700 is there. Trade accordingly. See you again before the US session. Do not miss that update. That is an important update here before the PPI data and the US session. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. And yes, join my mentorship batch, which is starting on 20th of November. Register by visiting the platform forexhonda.com or reach out to me via Telegram or email. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Thank you.